Hi there and welcome to this Reward XP review. If you are looking at making money online, then the chances are that you might be looking at signing up to the Rewards XP Get Paid To website. Is it really worth your while or should you give it a miss? So I signed up to this website, I took it for a test drive, and I'm going to show you what it's all about so that by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of Rewards XP and you can decide if it's the right way for you to go forward to making money online. And speaking of making money online, this channel is all about helping you to find the best ways to making real money online. And if it's your first time here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. And feel free to check out my #1 recommendation to starting your very own solid online business, even if you are brand new to the world of online business. Now let's check out the Reward XP website. Okay, so here we are at the Rewards XP website. It's pretty straightforward. It's actually very easy to navigate your way around here. I've already signed up. Membership is free to Reward XP. So what is Reward XP all about? As I mentioned earlier, Reward XP is basically, it's a get paid to website. So you complete tasks, and for completing these tasks you get rewarded. Now here there are basically just two things that you can do. You can either complete offers or you can complete surveys. The first thing is to make money on Rewards XP, you have to click on earn. And when you click on earn, these are all the offers. But basically it's just broken down into two things: offer walls and survey routers. Now the first thing is survey routers. Survey routers simply means these are companies that are acting as intermediary parties between the companies that want research to be done and Reward XP. So they sort of link you with a company, and if you qualify to do the survey, then you get rewarded points. So these are the various survey companies that you can sign up to. Oops, sorry about that. So if you click on your surveys, then you would go to your profile. Then you would have to complete a survey profile first. This is, a profiler. And this is where they profile your profile to see if you qualify to take the main survey. And then the other thing is, if you go back to earn, it's where you can do offer walls. Now offer walls, these are companies like Edscon Media, AdGem, AdGate Rewards. All of these companies, they also work on behalf of companies, and they give you the opportunity to maybe explore new products. This is maybe if you want to download an app, or let's just say there's a game that you need to get tested, or even if you just have to complete one of your surveys as well, you get rewarded in the currency on the platform, which is called XP Rewards. I also forgot to mention to you that there's another way in which you can earn, and that's by watching videos. Now there you would click on this third tab called Video tab, and here as you can see the company there is called Hideout TV. Watch videos about music, lifestyle and more, and earn unlimited XP. Now as you can see in my profile, there is no videos to watch. So it really does depend on where you are located in your geographical location. If there is in demand for you to actually watch a particular video and they want your input, then there'll be videos. Now in my country, there is nothing available at this point in time. And then there's a final way in which you can earn with Reward XP, and that's by joining their Discord community. And by joining the Discord community, you can qualify for certain giveaways and contests. For instance, here I have 1 day and 7 hours to enter for this giveaway where I can earn myself 10,000 XP, and these are the best contestant entries that each have won 100,000 XP. Now it sounds like it's a lot of money. So how much really is an XP within the Reward XP community? Okay, so now I'm going to show you how much you can actually earn, or what the potential is to earn on the Reward XP site, and how much you have to do to earn that sort of money. Now, here is one of the offer wall companies. This offer wall is called Review. Now, if you click on this option here, join and complete surveys, offers, watch videos to earn points, and you must earn 7,500 points and redeem a reward in order to receive XP. Then you can earn 91,000 XP. Like I said earlier on, it does sound like it's a lot of money, but let me just show you how much an XP really is worth. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna click on redeem, and let's just say you go into PayPal. Now these are the various different merchants that you can choose in which you would like to be paid out your money. You can click on PayPal, and as you can see, 50,000 XP is equivalent to $5. So that's how much it is, right? And 10,000, 100,000 XP is equivalent to $10, and then 250,000 XP is equivalent to $25, and then 1 million XP, that's equivalent to $100. So if you look at the other option to complete that option, then if you have to complete it, 91,000 XP will be equivalent to about maybe $7 or $8. So that's how much money you are looking at if you were to successfully complete that sort of task. Okay, so now let's take a look if people are actually happy with using reward XP. Now here I am on Trustpilot.com, and on Trustpilot they actually scored a really good 4.7 out of 5 stars, and they've got about 126 reviews, of which 88% of it is excellent. Now, one thing that I've noticed that was quite cool about the rewards XP comments was that, okay, there are some negative comments, but even though there was negative comments, those negative comments, there was a reply from the founder of Reward XP. He goes by the name of Jay, who is a CEO or co-founder. He says it's never an easy decision to ban a member that's earned thousands. Ultimately, past performance is not indicative of future results. The majority of your reversals have happened recently and have grown to over 100 USD. Additionally, reports we received from our survey partners were concerning. We wish you well. So that's the one negative comment. Also, he replies on positive comments, and he says, if you still have a support ticket, open up a task, blah blah blah. And there was another negative comment I want to also show you, where Jay took the time to reply. And just give me a second, I'll show it to you now. I saw it here somewhere. My reward. Yeah. I'm starting to think that the other good reviews are fake, but the site itself seems real. And there's a whole story here. And what Jay said here was, it's sorry to hear that's your impression about Rewards XP. We have been around since 2018 and we helped a lot of people around the world earn cash, gift cards, crypto, and gaming currency. And I'll just skip to the bottom. He says, unlike other sites, we don't deactivate your account if you are inactive, but if you really want to delete your account, our knowledge base mentioned to email support at Rewards XP. So at least here, in this case here, we know who is the owner of this Get Paid To website. There's a lot of websites out there where you don't know who the owner is. So that is one of the positives of Rewards XP. The other positive, as you can see, people are happy with the site. So is Rewards XP legit, or is it going to be a waste of your time? Okay, so let's just take a look at some of the pros and cons of Rewards XP. The pros first. Okay, it's easy to use. There's a free membership. They've got an online forum or online community, and there is good support. The cons, well, first of all, the earning potential is low. I mean, if you look at that other gentleman, he's earned $100, but it's taken him a hell of a long time to get to that point. You have to work really hard just to earn that few amount of dollars. The other con about it is that it's not a passive income earning opportunity. So it's not a place where you can just do something once off and then money will keep rolling. You have to be constantly active And then the last one is no guarantee of any jobs. As you have seen, if I wanted to watch any videos, I had to wait for something to be available in my country. Even if you decide to do surveys with one of the survey router companies, then you first have to qualify, and that you first need to do a profile survey, and only once you pass the profile survey, then you can go into the main survey. I'm sorry, what I meant was it's a screening survey. You first have to do a screener, and then only after you pass the screener, you qualify, then you go on to the main survey, and that's when you would get rewarded this the certain amount of points or money or whatever the case is. But the bottom line is that you have to wait for opportunities to come your way. So you're not going to have a consistent income, and you're not going to have a guarantee of any jobs. Is Reward XP a scam? I don't think it's a scam, but do I recommend it for you? That would really depend on what it is that you are looking for. As Jay also mentioned in that comment, the last comment on the Trustpilot forum that I showed you, he even said Reward XP is not a site where you're going to be earning life-changing money, or you're going to be earning money that's going to be make a substantial or sustainable effect in your life. It's not going to allow you to quit your job or buy the new car or pay the rent or anything of that sort. It's just there to help you make some extra spending money. And if that is okay with you, then perhaps then Reward XP is the right website for you. But if on the other hand you are looking at earning real money online and looking at building a business that would have passive income potential, then definitely Reward XP is not the choice for you, because they're not even giving you any business building skills to get to that sort of destination. So that concludes my review of Reward XP. I hope that it has helped you out, and I hope that you got all the answers that you need about this particular Get Paid To website. So before I leave you, I'd just like to leave one thought in your mind. If you are looking at building your very own online business that will have passive income potential, then feel free to check out my number one recommendation. It's a business opportunity where you can learn real skills to building an online business. And even if you are brand new, it's an opportunity that's tailored for newbies in mind. So check it out just by clicking on the link that is below this video. Thanks so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave it below this video and I'll get back to you. And I'd like to wish you everything of the best in your online success. See you in my next video. Goodbye.